How to make keto salmon roll-ups. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 4-ounce smoked salmon, 3-ounce cream cheese, softened, 1 tablespoon fresh chives, 1 teaspoon capers, 2 teaspoons red onion, finely chopped, ½ teaspoon lemon zest. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. Put the cream cheese into a bowl and stir with a fork to be sure it is smooth. 3. Chop the fresh chives and capers. Mix in the chopped chives, capers, and sliced red onion together with the cream cheese. Stir to combine well. 4. Dollop some of the cream cheese onto the salmon pieces and smooth out. Carefully roll the salmon. 5. Then, serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of keto salmon roll-ups. Each serving comes out to be 429 calories, 34 grams fat, 4.2 grams net carbs, and 26.2 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.